What's up YouTube, it's Joel2Cool, and today we're going to start winter prep. So the steps that we're going to take to do that is first we're going to start off with clean slate. What this is going to do is it's a car wash shampoo that's going to strip and remove waxes, glaze, seals, anything that's on there. So you want a clean surface before we would go to a wax or a sealant. In this case we're going to use Chemical Guys Jetseal. Here in Pennsylvania, we get a lot of snow, we get a lot of rain, a lot of ice. So I need a sealant, something strong. Jetseal in ideal conditions will last up to 12 months. But before we put a sealant on, I'm going to try a new product that I got from Chemical Guys, the Easy Cream Glaze. It's going to add extra shine. It's going to be a little bit more protection. The reason that I want to test it out is also because I'm not going to polish my truck this year. So this is going to fill in any minor scratches or swirl marks. And then, like I said, we're going to seal that in with Chemical Guys Jetseal. So we're going to test clean slate out in the foam cannon, and then we're going to just wash the truck with it to remove all the wax that's currently on the truck. And then we'll move on to Easy Cream and then the Jetseal. So let's get started.
So we'll add 2 ounces to the foam cannon. And once again, this is clean slate to remove the wax. And as you can see here, it looks a little bit runny. The reason behind that is I only put 2 ounces and I put way too much water into the foam cannon because I've used this product before and it actually does foam up very well. Also another thing is I'm using an electric pressure washer. It's a 1900 PSI, 1.3 gallon per minute, which is below the regular standard, higher quality foam out of the foam cannons. But all in all, even if it is running like this, the cleaning agents that are in this particular clean slate from Chemical Guys will still remove the wax. Also keep in mind we're going to be using it in a 2-bucket method.
Alright, so now we're going to put Chemical Guys Easy Cream on. And I think what I'm going to do is I'll put it on half of the hood so we can see what it looks like coated and not coated. I typically do that in a lot of my videos. So following the instructions, I'll shake this up really well. I'm going to put it on by hand with a hand applicator. And yeah, we'll see how it works. See if it makes better shine. And we'll wait 15 minutes before we buff it off. I forgot that was in the instructions as well. So alright, let's get to work.
Alright, so we got a microfiber applicator pad. We're going to put some dots, you can put some strips, it doesn't really matter. As long as you have some of the stuff on the pad. And then we're going to kind of dab it out across the half of the hood here. The reason we want to do that is it thins it out better instead of putting a massive glob all in the same spot. Because remember that only a very, very thin layer of the product is actually going to stick and actually bond to the paint surface. So if you're putting a overwhelming amount or gobs all over the place, all in all you're just wasting product. One of the quick things I'm realizing here with this is it does, I don't want to say it's a sticky texture, but doing the straight lines, it doesn't seem to want to smear across the entire surface. It leaves a lot of gaps, it feels like. I feel like doing circular motions are working a little bit better. Straight lines.
Alright, so the 15 minutes is up. You can see the haze that it created compared to the side that is not coated. So I'm going to take a Rag Company Eagle Edgeless 500, buff this off, and then we will check it out.
So now to buff this off, I chose the Eagle Edgeless from the Rag Company, just because it's very plush, it's very soft, it's very fluffy. It does an excellent job of cleaning stuff. You do not have to use this particular towel. Don't let anyone tell you you have to use a certain towel. As long as I prefer 70-30 blend, just because you want it to be soft enough on the paint that you aren't scratching. But the majority of the towels out there are good enough quality that they'll get the job done just fine. From inside the garage here, we're not going to get as perfect of a result because you can, with the lighting that I have in here, it's really hard to see. At the end of the video, we are going to take the vehicle outside with the Jetseal on. We're going to get to see what it looks like in actual sunlight. Because in here with just these lights, it looks bright and shiny even without it on. This stuff's going to add more to it, but once again with these lights that I have in here, it's not showing the best.
Alright, so the whole vehicle is now coated with Easy Cream from the Chemical Guys brand. It does have a nice shine. When it was clean, it was shining well on its own. But because, like I said, this is for winter prep, one of the key things we need is a sealant to protect from the harsh elements, the snow, the ice, and stuff like that. So we're going to use Chemical Guys Jetseal. We talked about this earlier. In ideal conditions, this will last 12 months. So we're going to lock in the glaze with this sealant, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now.
So for the Jetseal, I'm going to use foam disc applicator. I like these a little bit better. I feel like these spread it out a little bit faster, a little bit smoother, less gaps. So I'm going to spread it out across the surface. And then with this, I'm going to do circular motions. Don't let anyone tell you that's going to scratch or mar the surface, because if your surface is clean, this isn't going to do any more damage. I mean, people use dual action polishers and that just goes in really fast circles. So using circles with a foam applicator pad on your surface isn't going to hurt anything. And it also allows for, I feel like it's more even coverage. You don't have to use the crosshatch pattern because you're overlapping every time you move back and forth. And it goes on real quick, real easy.
So 20 minutes of Jetseal is done. You can see the haze, the fogged upness there. While I was waiting for that, I went ahead and did the rest of the vehicle. I don't know if you can see this with the camera because it hasn't hazed up quite yet. But we're gonna go ahead and buff this off. Take a look at the side that's only got the Easy Cream versus the Jetseal. See if we can tell a difference. So yeah, let's go ahead and buff this off.
So using a clean towel, once again, this is an Eagle Edgeless 500 from the Rag Company. We're just gonna buff all this excess residue off, which is gonna reveal the nice, vibrant, bright shine that Jetseal gives off. And as soon as we're done taking this off, I'll finish the vehicle. I'll take it outside and we're gonna see what it looks like in direct sunlight, as opposed to the garage lighting that I have here. And once again, to note here that it's coming off very easy and it's got a pleasant smell. All right, so now we're outside. Look at the shine that is on this truck. Oh yeah, I love this. Now I've used Jetseal before. People say that it's not as good a shine as a wax. I don't care who you are, this is a nice shine. I absolutely love using Jetseal. It goes on real easy, comes off real easy. It's got a pleasant smell. It's almost kind of like a vanilla bean, if I were to describe it. So looking at it from this side, I mean, there's not as much sunlight over here, and I'm still seeing a lot of bright reflective shine. I don't see any streaks, anything like that. This is a good time to do a walk around, make sure you got all of it off. Occasionally, especially if you're doing it in a garage, it's kind of hard to see if in the darker areas of the garage if you miss some spots. But no, this is a very nice product. And once again, this is going to last up to 12 months in ideal conditions. Here in Pennsylvania, I'd gather it probably lasts about 8 months. But I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Joel Too Cool. Thanks for watching.